I'm in my Tesla Model Y, and the other day I have received the new Spring over-the-air update, which was version 2025.14.1. I actually received 2025.14.3.1 at the same time, which is the bug fix to the original Spring update. And this is a 2024 Hardware 3 Model Y with the Ryzen chipset. And there is another feature that's been added, or another update on this, which isn't really mentioned. I think it might be mentioned in the minor updates here. No, it's not actually. So what this new update is an updated dashcam and Sentry mode viewer. So this viewer has completely changed. Before you had your main image and then the other camera views were tiles in each corner. Now it's laid out in a much better way, and you can select which camera you want to view out of here, and you've got the images moving as well in the bottom, which is quite nice. Or you can select a grid view. So if I press the front camera there, the other thing you can see we've got is a new big red jump to event button, and that's simply going to jump the imagery to the point where I asked it to record, because I've got a shortcut down here which I can push at any time, which saves the current clip. So I think this new layout is much nicer and a bit easier to use. The menu at the top is the same, where you can jump between your saved clips. Again, you've got all the clips or saved. I'm sure before that said dashcam, so this is your saved dashcam clips, and then you can jump to Sentry clips. I don't have any because I recently reformatted the USB drive, and Sentry mode hasn't yet been used since. But anyway, I think it's a much nicer layout. And also I should note, this is only for Ryzen chip cars. So if you've got the Intel chip car, you don't get this new media player yet. Maybe you'll get it in the future, I don't know. So I'll keep this video short and sweet. So if you found it interesting and useful, please do click the thumbs up. It's a small thing to do, but it helps me and helps the channel. If you want to know more about the Tesla Model Y, in the video description below will be a link to a playlist where you can see other videos I made on this car. Also, if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, below will be the referral link where you'll get money off your new car. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one.